First, mayong adlaw. So today is October 8, 2024 and we celebrate 28 C Plus Week. And our activity today is C Plus Pambi in Bank and Gallery Booth Exhibit per municipality. So nag-anam nagpangabot ang mga Pambi members kay gikan pa ni sila nag-parade per municipality as part sa opening sa 28 C Plus Week Celebration 2024. So we are now busy in facilitating and accommodating C Plus Pambi members since magsugod naman taud-taud ang meeting. After sa Pambi meeting niadto na sad mi sa municipal ground of Dapa kay mutan-aw mi og nag-judge sa mga gallery booth per municipality. Since grabe man kainit sa panahon, sumo ni diri nagtapok mi kay nagpa-electric fan, nagpa-fan ni diri as a drone. Wow! So man siya mo ang fun for today.